Good morning, guys. How are you doing this morning? I hope you're doing very, very well. I am about to go do laundry. I don't like doing laundry, but it needs to be done because tomorrow I'm going on a little vacation. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting and fun and stuff. So yeah, gotta get packed today and stuff. So hopefully I won't forget anything. But, anyway, I shall talk to you guys. I was about to say I will talk to myself. I mean, I'm always gonna talk to myself because I always talk to myself. But I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Sorry. Yeah, I just cleaned out my car, which is a good thing because I'm leaving on a trip tomorrow, as I said before. I'm going down to Hamilton, Alabama to go visit my boyfriend for 5 days, I think. Yeah, over my birthday, so that should be fun. I'm excited about that. But I just cleaned out my car, which it needed that so bad. Look at how much clothes were in my car. All of this, all of that was in my car. And half of it's not even mine. Half of it is the wife's. And looks like Frank wants in. We'll focus. Hi, Frank. You want in there, babe? Yeah? Sorry, can't let you in right now. I know. Sorry. Sorry, boy. He's silly. Oh my gosh, it's dark. Hold on. There we go. He's a silly rooster. Not Pepper. What are you doing? What you doing? Being a queen. Being a diva, as always. But yeah, about that, guys. My camera ran out of space. So I had to delete some old footage. But yeah. I got grocery shopping done. I got, picked up some instruments, and I hung out with the wife a little bit. I meant to film with her, but I forgot. Sorry. Yeah. That's what's been going on today. I still have a lot of work to do. I gotta, still pack and stuff. So yeah. So I'm gonna get going. Yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a productive day, because productive days are usually good days. So yeah, talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Hello guys. So, was I recording? I don't know. My camera's being weird right now. But anyway, I just finished packing up my clothes. I still have a lot of other stuff to pack, but that's going to have to wait till in the morning because it is 12:30 right now, and I need to get up in the morning. So yeah, I think that is it for today's vlog, guys. I know I didn't film very much, but I have been trying to have a productive day, so yeah, that's what's been going on. Sorry about that. Tomorrow is going to be a travel day, but I will try to vlog as much as I can. And yeah, I think that is it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you had a good day. Hope you have a good day tomorrow, and I shall see you then. Do you like my luggage? Do you like it?